Discovering France, a continent's crown jewel. In the heart of Europe lies a country defined by its rich history, diverse landscapes, and vibrant culture, France. Nestled between numerous coasts, undulating mountain ranges, and iconic cities, France's geographical positioning shapes its picturesque scenery and dynamic climates. The quintessential French lifestyle, reflected in its renowned cuisine, art, fashion, and social traditions, is an intriguing melange that attracts travelers from around the globe. From the bustling hub of Paris to the tranquil vineyards of the south and the snowy Alps' majestic peaks, France offers an array of awe-inspiring regions and sites, each holding its unique allure. Unleashing France's geographical wonders, a digital nomad's guide. Strike the name France, and instantly the mind dances with images of romantic sunsets by the Eiffel Tower, vineyard tours in the countryside, and fashion-filled bustling streets in Paris. Yet this éclat and flair represent just a fraction of what France, this intriguing country on the global map, has to offer. Nestled in Western Europe, France stretches its charismatic landscapes from the Mediterranean Sea in the south to the English Channel in the north, and from the Rhine River in the east to the Atlantic Ocean in the west. France boasts a geographical versatility that rivals its rich cultural history. No wonder it draws the attention of a digital nomad's wandering spirit. Speaking of magnetism, let's begin with the awe-inspiring mountain ranges that punctuate France. The Alps in the east, including the famous Mont Blanc, and the Pyrenees along the Spanish border, roll out a challenging carpet for any adventure-thirsty spirit. And the massive Central, located smack in the heart of France, is a wanderer's delight with its extinct volcanoes. France is also the trove of tantalizing natural wonders, like the Gorges du Verdon, often called the Grand Canyon of Europe. This emerald green river canyon is a spectacle to behold and a significant tourist attraction. Another fascinating feature is the Camargue, Western Europe's largest river delta, consisting of vast marshlands that are a paradise for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. Visiting here ensures a brush with the region's famous white horses and black bulls. Stunning. In essence, France is a geographical marvel located at the crossroads of Europe, boasting a diverse tapestry of landscapes. Its mountains tower, rivers flow, oceans lap onto the varied shorelines, and lush plains stretch as far as the eye can see. As a digital nomad seeking novel experiences, or an enthusiastic explorer, unlocking France is akin to awakening to a world filled with an unending symphony of natural wonders. Remember, once you set out on this enchanting journey, each day ends not in goodbyes, but simply an au revoir until the wandering spirit calls again. French culture and customs. Immersing in the rich ambiance of French cultural heritage, it's impossible not to be captivated by France's romantic cities, sprawling vineyards, and charming countryside villages. This allure prompts travelers across the globe to step inside the French wonderland, going beyond the well-trodden paths to discover the authentic French joie de vivre. Imagine strolling down Paris's enchanting boulevards, infused with remnants of artistic grandiosity, hinting at the literary revolutions, vivid paintings, and soul-stirring musical melodies once created here. The City of Light not only radiates architectural wonder sparked by iconic structures like the Louvre and Eiffel Tower, it simultaneously enchants intimate cafes, independent bookstores, and quiet city parks. Paris represents the heart of French culture, where one can appreciate the nation's undying love for art and literature. Must-visit regions and sites in France, blending culture and adventure in France's untapped regions. Venturing beyond the familiar, France's vibrant cities and sprawling natural landscapes hide several gems that offer unique and captivating travel experiences. These lesser-known regions and sites host diverse delights, combining cultural heritage, scenic beauty, and thrilling adventures for unforgettable journeys. If you're looking for the allure of pristine nature, the Dordogne region is an incredibly compelling visit. With prehistoric cave paintings at Lascaux, verdant river valleys, and medieval castles reminiscent of fairy tales, it's a place where history meets natural splendor and charm overflows. For the wine connoisseurs, a trip to Bordeaux is a must. The city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site laden with architectural treasures. Yet, the sprawling vineyards and wineries surrounding the city truly take your breath away, promising olfactory indulgence and plenty of cheers. Travelers not afraid to get a little dirt between their toes will find solace in the rugged terrain of Corsica. Towering mountains, glittering coastlines, and sprawling nature reserves burst into a stunning panorama of outdoor escapades. Hiking, rock climbing, snorkeling, you name it, Corsica has it. The French Basque country's unique blend of Spanish and French influences is a delightful detour from the typical French ambiance. Surfing can be savored amidst the captivating backdrop of the Bay of Biscay, and tales can be shared over hearty dishes such as pinxos and axoa, a spicy veal stew. In the southeastern corner of France, the Luberon region in Provence captivates with hilltop villages, sun-soaked vineyards, and aromatic lavender fields. It's a sensory festival that dwells in the heart long after the journey ends. The delights of travel in France extend far beyond these words, combining adventure, culture, stunning scenic vistas, and delectable gastronomy in an unforgettable package. Whether it's thrilling outdoor exploits, serene nature retreats, gastronomic adventures, or historic sojourns, uncovering France's untapped regions will forever feature in the fond corners of your memory. Whether savoring world-class French cuisine, immersing yourself in breathtaking landscapes, or marveling at architectural wonders, a journey through France reveals it's not just a country, but a feeling, an experience. To truly comprehend the essence of this European gem, one must engage and connect with it not just as a tourist, but as an explorer, a historian, a cultural enthusiast, and ultimately, as a human being. At A Bus on a Dusty Road, we talk about travel, life, and expat living. We are all about living life as a global citizen. We explore social, cultural, and economic issues and travel. Visit www.ABusOnADustyRoad.com.